Moola Chotak Waterfall is a paradise hidden in Khuzdar in Balochistan. Although most of Balochistan is covered with dry hills, Moola Chotak takes that quality of the province and turns it exceptional with clean blue water paired with clear cloudy sky. Moola Chotak is a place filled with adventures. The word Chotak, derived from local Brahui and Balochi languages, is utilized for signifying certain types of water falling from the sky. Featuring a range of beautiful waterfalls, the place is named Moola Chotak Waterfall. It features a small, wonderful waterfall surrounded by beautiful mountains. The wonderful waterfall got an elevation of 1,237 meters. From hidden ravines and cascading waterfalls to deep blue pools of water, it is a spot that just deserves all visitors' attention. The main attraction point of the Moola Chotak includes stargazing, water streams, bonfire, camping, and trekking.